My name is Scott Lutaka, and I'm the Facilities and Sustainability Manager for Piazza Produce here in Indianapolis. Zero waste is a very important concept, and it's one that I feel very strongly about and passionate about as well. Zero waste is basically defined as being able to divert 90% or greater waste to landfill. And that's typically achieved through processes such as comprehensive recycling, commercial composting, and other waste to landfill diversion methods. When we first started, our scenario for Piazza Produce was that we had a lot of waste and it was all going to landfill. But more importantly, we recognized that it appeared on the surface that our waste costs were out of control. Every month they were going up $6, $7, $8, $9, $10,000 a month. So with no apparent end in sight, that's what prompted me to take a closer look at waste and learn about it and basically try to understand, is this merely the cost of doing business, or can we be proactive and manage our waste stream? So what is a typical day in the life of a zero waste company? Well, as we go through the warehouse, we collect, so actually we commingle a variety of different recyclable materials. And then those typically will get sent to the back of the facility, where then they're further sorted and segregated into the various recyclable commodities. The amount of trash that Piazza Produce was sending to landfill in 2005 was approximately 2,415 tons, and it was all going to landfill. We were doing no recycling in our baseline year of 2005 to speak of. On collection day here, it's not typical like consumers think of at home, when the truck comes once a week and picks up their trash and it goes out of sight, out of mind. Some of the obstacles that we first addressed in our quest for zero waste, first of all, I have to stipulate that I have a confession to make. We did not start out with the goal of achieving zero waste. In fact, I didn't even know what zero waste was. So, again, initially my first focus and target was to reduce, manage the waste process and see if we could reduce that amount of monthly spend. So other obstacles then were, okay, how do we collect the various materials? How do we sort them in a facility that was built in 1982, which was not built nor designed with sustainability practices in mind? The amount of time that it took Piazza Produce to achieve zero waste from our baseline year 2005 was approximately 6 years. And again, we didn't have that roadmap that identified the steps, the processes, how to overcome the various hurdles and challenges that we were going to face on our path to zero waste. And so it was very important that we continue to monitor our progress and just keep using what I refer to as the Kaizen principle, just continual improvement each and every day.